Hi.
Oh, good.
Yep, paint on the canvas.
What a
Do you need a new color?
No.
No? Okay. It's alright, that's why you have that on. It's a smock.
Why can't she person on
A new color?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna let you pick. Let me put them all out there so you know what all your colors are to choose from before you pick one. Okay. These are the colors that you have not used yet, and these are the colors that you have used. You can pick whichever one you want. Yellow? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, I'm doing a video. Everybody can see your creative process. Okay. Let's shake it up first. I like the colors that you chose. Shake, 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 shake it up. Shake it up. Good. Okay. No, not with your mouth, with your hand. Okay. Do you want it on the canvas or do you want it here?